Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I trust you have been watching my videos and checking that I've been posting amazing awesome videos. Well, today I'm going to be introducing you to a new money making platform called EBAY77.shop in this, where you can make lots of amazing money. All what you have to do is just sign up. The link will be in the video description below, where you have to click on, and when you click on the link it will bring you to a platform like this where you have to sign up. You have to physically type in your email, put in the password that is convenient for you, and you have to reconfirm the password. And mind you, it's going to be different for everybody. This is your invitation code, which will be different for everybody. Then you have to click on register account, and to automatically show you that you have successfully created an account. Where you can see I already have an account, so I just have to click on login, and you can see I've successfully logged into my account, and I have 0.00 in my account right now. Well, the reason why I don't have any money in my account now is because I will be depositing and show you guys how you'll be able to deposit and make money from this account. Yes, you can see EBAY7.shop. Well, I'm going to be doing a brief introduction for you. The EBAY77.shop is the safest online money making platform in this year, where you can make amazing awesome money from the comfort of your home. All what you have to do is just sign up, like I said, create an account, and you start making money straight away. Alright guys, so I'm going to be running you and showing you how you can deposit on this platform and how you can make money. Well, this is the platform. When you sign up already, you can see earnings today 0, gain 0. So coming over here, you can see these are all pending transactions. I have not done any for now because I'm just trying to do introduction. So you can see trial member. Well, this is over here. This is where you have to withdraw, team report, recharge records, withdrawal record, message. You can change your password here automatically, and you can modify the withdrawal password, and you can select a language that you want for yourself. Right, so let's move straight to the home page, start making money. So I'm going to be showing you how you be able to recharge, withdraw, and invite. Coming over here, this is where you get your invitation link. And see, this is your invitation link. You just have to click on copy, and the invitation code is different for everybody. It's going to be different for you the same way it's different for me. So you just have to click on copy. Well guys, copy. So moving over here now, we are going to be checking out the plans. So we have membership level, and for the purpose of this video I'm going to be doing the trial member, which is the current level. You can see I can invest as low as $2 here, and I can have an income range of 30%, just 2 orders, and I'll be able to withdraw my money. And the VIP, she have for $15, and income range is 20%, which is 2 orders, and you're able to earn your money. String goes to this, the highest, which is the VIP 9. So you can see these are the agency review display of people making money, and these are their official partners, Amazon and Shopify. Alright guys, so first of all, what are we going to do next? I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to recharge. Yes, so try to recharge. So we have to click on recharge. Alright, so we have to copy this address now, and we'll be going straight to any of our crypto wallet accounts and pasting it here, and we'll be withdrawing our money. So address has been successfully copied. So now we are going to be moving straight to any of our crypto wallet accounts. Okay guys, so like I said, I've come to my crypto wallet, and I'll be sending 2 USDT to my account. So as you can see, I have some USDT in my Trust wallet, so I have to click on here and send, click on send, and I have to paste in the address here, paste it, and put in a minimum of 2. But you can see I'll be charged a network fee of 17.9 TRS, and maximum total is 3.10. So I have to click on confirm. Right guys, you can see I've transferred 2 USDT, which is still loading, so it's going to reflect in my account any moment from now. It has successfully been sent, and you can see I have, okay, So you can see I've been charged some fees, and like minimum I was having around 20 TRS, but now I'm having around 11.6980 on 12. So right now I have to move to our account. So right now we just have to click on wait for it to reflect at the up, give it some time to reflect because we have sent two USDT to our account, so we have to give it some time to reflect to deposit by default. Okay guys, you can see how fast it is to deposit and how fast it is. So like you can see our $2 has reflect on our EBAY79.shop. So what next now is how to try and make money with this money. This is just a trial. So right now we have a trial member current level which is around $2. So the income range which is around 30%, and we only have 2 orders in this particular package. So all we have to do now is just click on it. Okay, so like I said, what we did was a trial member current level. That is the current level, and the required investment is $2.00, and the income range is 30%. That is 2 orders. I've explained this already. So what we have to do now is just click on start making money. So you can see we have a trial member commission of 0% and an order. We have not done any. So what we have to do now is to start grabbing orders. So we have to start grabbing orders now. So this is how you make money from this. So the first step you have to do is click on this trial member commission 0%. So you can see. Okay, so start grabbing orders again. So you can see we have successfully grabbed one order, and we have to submit order. Okay, order processing completed. All right, now so we have successfully completed one order. The next step we have to do is just, remember this particular platform we have only 2 orders that we can do, so we have to click on grab order again, submit the order. So you can see how easy it is to make money from this site. Order processing. You can see we have made a whopping sum of $0.60 on our $2 as little as possible. Now I'm going to be withdrawing this and show you how easy it is to withdraw also. So you can see how easy it is to make money. Imagine you doing the other plans such as this, the VIP one, where you'll be investing $15 VIP2 where you'll be investing $50, and VIP3 where you'll be investing $150. So you can see how easy it is to make money from this site. So right now we have a whopping sum of 2.60, and we deposited $2, so I made extra $0.60. Alright, so what next? Now I already showed you how you get your referral link. This is where you invite your friends. Copy a link from here and invite your friends and loved ones to participate. So right here now I'm going to be moving to withdraw. We've made a whopping sum of 0.6 today, and tomorrow 0.6 total commissions today, and today 0.6 gain. So tomorrow again I will still be making such amount of money. So you can also invest in this site but like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You can always make your proper research before you invest on any site, like I will always tell you. So I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to withdraw from this site. You can see how easy it is to deposit and how fast it is to reflect. The next step you have to do is I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to withdraw. So come and click on withdrawal. Now we're going to be writing our USDT wallet address, and we are going to be entering the fund amount and the password. So like I said, right now I'm going to copy my USDT address and my password, which I'm going to be pausing the video to do that. So guys, you can see I've successfully typed in my TLC wallet address and my password. So I'm going to click on modify information. Sorry. Alright guys, so let's see we have successfully linked this account. So what next now is try and withdraw. I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw. So alright guys, so you can see this is my mobile, and I'm going to be withdrawing this 2.60. I'm going to be pausing it here. Okay, you see I've withdrawn 1.60 and I have $1.00 in my account already. So let's give it some time, few minutes. It will reflect now. Wow. crypto wallet account. So you can see I've made a withdrawal and it has been submitted automatically. So let's check our withdrawal records. So you can see 1.60 has been approved to reflect my account, and because I was having 2.60, so I have $1 balance in which tomorrow I will still continue making money with this exact amount. So you can see this eBay77.shop is one of the best online money making platform where you can make money, daily passive income from the comfort of your home. All what you have to do is just watch the video, pay attention to every step and everything I did, and you'll be able to make amazing lots of money from this site. So let's go and check our wallet to see if our $1.60 has reflected. So guys, you can see our 1.60 has reflected on our Binance account. So you can see that the site is actually fast in withdrawing. You can check the exact time I made the withdrawal and the time I received in my wallet. So you can make amazing money from this site. All what you have to do is just watch the video and follow every step I took. And this is the proof of withdrawal. And I've showed you how to deposit from this site and how you're able to withdraw. So you can see my 1.60 has reflected on my account. So guys, you can also follow the steps, and remember we have amazing offers from this side. So guys, you can see we have amazing offers like I've showed you. That is just for the membership trial level. Like this is the VIP1, VIP2, VIP3 down to the VIP9. All depends on your income and the money you are willing to invest. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You can always make your research before you invest on any site. You understand, guys? So guys, I trust you watch the video and understand. Give me a like button, comment and subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media platforms. You can private chat me if you are confused. Have a nice day. Bye.